I'll be honest with you, in this episode I'll mostly be talking about cringe. What is cringe? Cringe is this. More on that later. Welcome to the first in a torturous series I'll be doing on pet names. I don't mean the weird names that people give to their domesticated animals.
Yes, Henry, I know.
A pet name is used instead of somebody's first name, normally to show fondness or familiarity. In this episode, I'll discuss pet names for women. I'll be sharing some of the more common acceptable ones. I'll be warning you of the words you shouldn't be using as pet names. That is, if you want to keep a woman happy. Is that possible? And lastly, I'll confess to a pet name that I used to use. My name is Very Common. Welcome to Good Bad English. Let's get on with the cringe fest. Firstly, back to the word cringe. When something is cringy, it's embarrassing to witness or awkward to see. Your dad dancing at a wedding. Your boyfriend referring to you as Snuggles. Your friend diving between the cushions of a couch and saying, Look, I'm muff diving. That actually happened. All of that is very cringy. Pet names are mostly cringy, to others at least. However, as you know, they serve a higher purpose. They're a way to express endearment.
Mind the gap.
Essentially, pet names are compliments. You'll show how sweet your partner is by calling her Sugar or Sugar Lips, but never Sugar Tits. You might call her Sweetheart, but avoid Sweet Cheeks. These examples are kind of old and maybe your parents used them or your grandparents. To some, these words are kind of worse than cringy, they're pervy. Pervy is short for pervert, implying that the person is kind of a sexual deviant. Another sweet reference, the pet name Treacle. Using this, however, might make you sound like a misogynist. Hi, Treacle, how's it going? Don't use it. Similarly, don't use Twinkle Tits. Actually, just don't use tits in any pet name. Another oldie, but still kind of good to use, is Darling. You can shorten it to Darl. Oh, Darl, how's it going? A point to note, female friends use this with one another. Men, I don't think so. The same goes for the common pet names Dear and Honey. Honey is also shortened to Hun. Hey, Hun. I use this with close female friends, but never Honey, because that's a little bit too intimate. These days, it is common to hear people refer to their partner as babe. Of course, from the word baby, which is also used. Add an S to the end of the word babe, and you have the ever more common version babes. Sure thing, babes. The word bae. Am I pronouncing it right? This seems to be a variation upon it. Some say that bae stands for before anyone else. I mean, that's cringy. I used to think that the pet name or description for a partner, boo, came from the word babe. I mean, you could think that it's short for boyfriend, but apparently it's not. Boo supposedly derives from the French word beauty. Although I think unless you're of a certain type of person from America, you're unlikely to use this word.
Mind the gap.
Okay, it's time to turn up the cringe. Cover your ears if you've got a heart condition. In my mind, the following example should never be used. Bunny. Because you could be suggesting that she's a Playboy pinup. Buttercup. Because you don't live in the 1920s. Cuddle buddy. Because you're not a puddle on the floor. Dumpling. Because it's no longer the 70s and there's too many bad associations with the word. Gangster baby. Because you know you're not a gangster and you're certainly not when you use that. Mama. Because grow up. Pickle. Actually, I kind of like that one, that's kind of cute. Pooh Bear. As in the character. Because somebody like me will find you and end you. Pudding. Because you'll put people off theirs. Pumpkin. Because grandmas use it. Schnookums. Because it's going to make somebody vomit. Share Bear. Really, Share Bear? Share Bear. Because you've got a spine. Ah, that's awful. Snuggles. Because cringe.
Mind the gap.
Ah yes, a confession. As I said at the beginning. Now, I had a pet name. Actually, I shared a pet name with somebody. We both, are you ready for it? Refer to each other as Monkey. Cringe, cute. It's kind of cute, no? Monkey needs snuggles. And you know what? I can't even remember how it begun. I don't know. Weird. Anyways. Dear audience, I'll be making a part 2 of pet names and I need your help with it. So tell me and tell us what I've missed. Add your pet name example to the comments, then be sure to subscribe and come back to see if your example makes it to that episode. Okay, that's more than enough for now. The Cringe Fest is officially over. Thank you for joining me. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next. Bye for now. Gotta go. Bye, babes.